Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Open Outlook or Outlook on the web and sign in with your Microsoft 365 account. Use your work or school email to access calendar features and settings. Switch to calendar view using the calendar icon in the left navigation bar so you see day, week, or month layouts. Create an event by clicking a time slot and choose 15-minute, 30-minute, or 1-hour durations depending on your schedule. Add a clear title, location, and notes so attendees understand the purpose and agenda. Add attendees by entering names, emails, or distribution lists when creating a meeting and press enter. Use the scheduling assistant to view availability and select the best meeting time for everyone. Include a Teams link automatically by toggling the Teams meeting option for remote participants. Set a recurrence pattern like daily, weekly, or custom, and include an end date if needed. Add a meeting agenda in the description and attach files so attendees can prepare before the meeting. Share a calendar and assign permissions like view, edit, or delegate in calendar settings to control access. Overlay up to 3 calendars to compare schedules and reduce scheduling conflicts visually across teams or personal and work calendars. Use color categories and custom labels to highlight priority events and deadlines for quick scanning. Sync your calendar to mobile by installing Outlook Mobile and sign in with your Microsoft 365 account to keep events in sync.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.